There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
For today's video, ayan, tulog. Yun, dito ng aming bakasyon na dito. Nasa biyahe pa rin kami papuntang Batangas. So, uwi kami ng Mindoro. Ayan, nasama ko Bagsak, Pogo. So, kahapon ay nasa biyahe kami. Papunta ng pier. Yun guys, ito na lang kayo mamaya kapag malapit kami sa malapit na kami sa pier ng Batangas. Meron na lang ulit. Yun guys, malapit na tayo sa pier. Bale, papunta na tayo sa may entrance. Yan. Yan. Vertical entrance ng port ng Batangas. Yan.
A few moments later.
Ayan guys, ito yung aming ticket at 500 yan. Okay, 500 ang isang tao. Magkano yung total na binayaran natin? Porto. So yun guys, 4-3 kasama sa sakyan. Ito yung ticket namin, 3 tao. Isa
3 ang sasakyan.
3 to sa sakyan.
3 to sasakyan.
So guys, 3 to yung sakyan namin. Bayad sa sakyan. Yan. May terminal ticket pa daw. 200. Hindi pumapatak ng 4-5 yun. 4-5 yung aming ano. 5,000 kasama sa gas. 5,000. So, 5,000 ang biyahe namin. One way. And guys, update ka mamaya. Pagpasok namin sa barko. Montenegro tayo yung barko. So yan. Yun guys, papasok na tayo ng barko. At ang oras natin ay ano na, 8:16 ng umaga. So ayan, sa Pantalan ng Batangas, Batangas yan. So maganda yung maganda yung dagat, may maalam. So ayan, ayan ang view sa Batangas Port. Pasok
Pasok.
guys. Pasok. So ayun lang tayo, may ano pa, sasakyan pa sa unahan.
Saan ka ba yung driver? Para pogi sa driver.
Siguro kasakay. Ayun. Pasok na kami. Ayun. Yung okay na, ready. Pasok kami sa loob guys. Yan, sasampa na. Sasampa na. Op. Yun. Sa loob. Maraming nag-assist. Maraming nag-assist.
Nag-work ka, pas nagsi-cigarettes.
Yan guys, dito na tayo sa taas. Ayan. Tayo sa pier. Noon, tayo dito sa pier. Sa Montenegro. Yan guys, nakita nyo. Nakakain na tayo. Dito. Tara dito. Mainit dyan eh. Yaw. Guys, dito na kami. Kasama ko, inaangkot na. Kailan kami na ilang oras. Dami ng pasayro dito. Dami ng tao. Ayan. Puno ng tao. Ayan. Puno ng tao.
go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? This is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe we can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
One eternity later.
Okay guys, palabas na kami. Ready na. Nalabasan na yung ibang ibang sasakyan. Dito na kami sana sa Calapan. Ayan, nalabas na yung mga nasa una.
I got something to prove, I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be. I just wish I had seen.